Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we're going to do a very fun smartphone shootout. So I have two phones, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro. And what I did was I took photos of the same subject, multiple subjects with both phones. And then I posted the images on my Facebook page and I asked people to like which photo they prefer. Settings were automatic to mimic the normal person, not the pro shooter. And in today's video, I'll reveal the winner of this shootout. Excited? I am. Let's go. By the way, before we get started in today's video, hit the like button, the thumbs up. You know why? Because if we hit 4,000 likes, I will give away one of the phones that I used in today's shootout. So make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure that you comment which camera phone you like the best and why. And just connect with us. Connect with the community. Let me know what you think. I'll reply to as many comments as I can. Okay? Tara! Okay guys, so let's get started. Now the first photo that I have, I actually took a shot of my Rolex Deep Sea Dweller. I did a review of this on my watch vlog. I'll link it down below just in case you guys are interested. I took this shot outside a Starbucks in Green Hills Mall. Now this is a side-by-side of the shot that I posted on, I think this is like my Facebook group. And if you take a look at the first photo, it has 410 likes. And if you take a look at the second photo, this one has 126 likes. The photo with the 410 likes was kind of a giveaway because the phone reflected on the crystal of the watch. Sobrang fail, di ba? So obviously, it's this phone. So this particular shot was taken with the Huawei Mate 40 Pro and it got the most likes at 410 versus the iPhone, which got 126. Now, specific to why people chose the Huawei photo, they preferred the better background blur, said Clark. Toto said that it was more saturated. And Amanda said that the details were better. If I take a look at it, I feel that the Huawei's AI, the editing that happens after the photo is taken to enhance it, really kicked in with this particular shot, enhancing the details, enhancing the elements and the colors, and that's why you have a more saturated popping shot. So this one went to the Huawei Mate 40 Pro with 410. Let's take a look at the next shot. Now, if you want a real good example of how different the two cameras are and how the post-processing happens, this picture really captures it super well. So this is an image or a photo of the Terminator statue, which is standing outside of one of the new toy shops or toy collective shops over at V Mall Promenade Theater Mall at Green Hills. So if you take a look at the bluish shot, the more natural shot, it's at 80 likes. If you take a look at the yellowish shot, the more saturated shot, it has 810 likes. And if you guys are probably guessing, I think most of you probably got it correctly. The one with the 810 likes is with the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, while the more bluish natural tone is with the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, this clearly shows the philosophy of photography and post-image processing of both companies. With Huawei, there really is an attempt to make the photo better. They probably use the AI to be able to present the photo in a way that more people probably like viewing it, and thus the more saturation, detail with the particular elements of the shot. As for the iPhone, if I were to remember or recall the actual color, this one is actually closest to what I saw visually. So you're seeing how the two companies view photography differently. But yeah, in terms of the general user test, in terms of likes, Huawei Mate 40 Pro wins this one. Now, the reason I actually went to Green Hills was because I picked up a new Funko Pop. So I bought the golden Frieza Funko Pop with the Comic-Con, San Diego Comic-Con sticker. So this one set me back, almost $600. It is super rare. And I do collect Dragon Ball Funko Pops, and that will be a separate vlog altogether. But this one, if you take a look at the side-by-side, Can you guys guess which one is the Huawei and which one is the iPhone? If you remember the philosophy that I told you about, you can probably instantly tell. The bluish tone, the more natural tone, again, is with the iPhone, and this one has 196 likes. And you can already see the comments na parang they're saying na si Christian said that mas oversaturated yung kabilang photo, but this one has more detail. Now, if you take a look at the other photo, the one taken with Huawei, which had more likes at 474, people were saying that it was more sharper, more detailed, the color was warmer, the golden color of Frieza came out better. Those were the comments of Christian, Ferdinand, Erickson, Sid, and Mark. So they felt that the overall color and the overall, I don't know, maybe vibe and pop was here. And that's the reason why this one also won at 474 likes versus the iPhone, which was only able to get 196. So again, you're starting to see the consistency in the philosophy of how both companies think of photography. Next, let's do a couple selfie. So this one was taken in Shangri-La Mall. I was testing the Under Armour face mask, which I think is the all-time best face mask that you can buy today. By the way, I saw that it's available on Zalora. So if you guys want to buy the Under Armour face mask, different sizes, 3 different colors, I will link it down below. Bilhin nyo na. Sobrang ganda niya. But anyway, so this one, you see 2 photos. One has a little bit more exposure. That's on the right side. And if you take a look at which is which, the first photo got 330 likes. The second photo got 89 likes. And Sid even said that the second photo kind of looked like it had a filter. And the winner on this one is actually the iPhone. So the iPhone 12 Pro shot is the first shot with 330 likes. And the comments said that it was more natural. That was what Sid said. And Chad also mentioned that it felt more natural as opposed to the couple selfie shot 2, which got 89 likes, wherein Sid said that it felt filtered. So again, the philosophy, you see it. This one, the iPhone 12 Pro, won the round. Let's do another selfie shot. So this is me by the window doing a pa-cute peace sign. Whoa. So if you take a look at the first shot, this one has 344 likes, while the second shot has 132 likes. And the first shot, the one with more light, was actually taken with the iPhone. So it's the winning shot with 343 likes. Some of the people that mentioned Sam, by the way, shout out to Sam, she's a regular viewer on this channel, said that mas okay yung skin color mo dito. Sir, your skin color looks better here. It was mentioned here by JFlow that the shot was sharper and more detailed. And Vitz said that it was better natural lighting, no filter. By the way, shout out also to Vitz. I see him a lot on Facebook. Shout out to you, bro. And Don also, Don, shout out to you. Those are like the regular people who comment, so it's nice to see them there. Now, the second shot, which was taken with the Huawei at 132, mentioned that some people actually felt that it was actually kind of strong. So John said that it felt more accurate. Mitch said that it's better. Mark said that it looked unedited. Edward said that it had more details compared to the other photo because the details of my beard actually came out better in this particular shot compared to the shot with the iPhone. But in terms of general likes, wherein people vote with their likes and hearts, the iPhone won this round as well. Now, I think this is another shot that demonstrates the strengths of both devices. And this is a shot of that giant Christmas tree, which is currently over at the second floor, I think, of Shangri-La Mall here in the Philippines. So just by taking a look at the side-by-side, I have a feeling that some of you can already guess which one was taken with which, right? So the 3 shot that's more, I don't know, on the bluish natural tone was obviously taken with an iPhone, and that one garnered 27. But Paul mentioned that the color is better, but the other one had more detail. Shout out to Paul. I think he put up a YouTube channel on sneakers recently, so just search for his name. He also has a really dope Instagram account with lots of nice photos of sneakers. And the second shot, which was taken with the Huawei, which had 167 likes, clear winner. Francis Bonnevie mentioned that it had more details. Shout out to Francis. He's the guy that owns the cattery where I got my cats from. So if you want Scottish folds, British short hairs, or Sphinx, check him out. Lemuel So, he's a buddy over at the Seiko Watch Club Philippines, said that it's warmer, but it also looks sharper. So 167 likes for this one versus the 27 likes taken with the iPhone. Clear winner here is the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So I mentioned to you guys that I really like Dragon Ball Funko Pops, right? And this next photo is proof. This is the most expensive Funko Pop, Dragon Ball Funko Pop that you can buy. Also one of the rarest, which is the Planet Arlia Vegeta. And this one, if you take a look at the first shot, this one had 75 likes, and the second shot had 189 likes. The 189 likes, some of the comments, Awen said, maganda color quality, sakto ang lighting. Glanod said that it had more vibrant color, and Piton said that it looks edited. In short, there was processing, post-processing that happened. And you can probably guess what phone was used to take the shot. Yes, it was taken with the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Again, it was set to automatic. There was no tinkering of the colors or the details after the shot. Both phones were set at their automatic mode. And clearly, again, we have a winner here with the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, clocking in 189 likes versus the 75 or 77 of the iPhone. And the last shot I have is a wide shot outside our balcony here in the condo. So again, you have two shots. The first one that had 1,200 likes, the comment here by Anna. This one, if you like landscape photos, the colors are more vivid, but in terms of selfie, I think the other photo does better. The other camera does better. Now, if you take a look at the other shot, this one had 503 likes versus the first photo that had 1,200, which is the winner. This one had so much more comments, and yet it had less likes. So some of the comments, let me read them out for you. Kaiser said that he could read "we are open" more in this shot. In terms of detail, clarity, he said that it was better. J Flo said that it looked more detailed. Raymar said that he could actually see the two kids doing a fist fight. Where are the two kids fighting each other? But yeah. Toto said mas clear compared to the others. Reggie said that the buildings came out better. And Ryan mentioned that the color grading on this one was also better. So again, you can probably tell which is which because there is a vibe for post-processing here. And clearly this was taken with the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Now, in terms of overall likes, the one with the iPhone actually won at 1,200 versus the Huawei, which got 503. So overall, if I were to do a scorecard, then obviously Huawei won. But what this test really revealed was the strategy or the intent of both companies. So you just match that with what you are looking for in a camera smartphone. So if you are, for example, a user that wants photos, once you take a photo, okay na. You don't want to tinker with it anymore. You just want to set it automatic and press click. Then the Huawei Mate 40 Pro might be the best phone for you in terms of photography, smartphone photography, mobile photography. If you want something maybe more natural and maybe you're more, I don't know, on the side where you want to edit and tinker and use different apps to play around with the different settings, based on the comments that we saw that people were saying that it was more natural and more bluer, then you might want to play around, or the iPhone 12 Pro might be the best phone for you in terms of photography. So ultimately, it really depends on what your camera needs are. Now, if you guys want to pick up the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, it's available. I will link down below. It's a really good device that delivers exceptional photography, exceptional video, and it just looks really great in hand. I mean, if you take a look at that back, that glimmering effect, it's really dope. And the camera setup here is really next level. Really like this phone. So let me know what you guys think of the photo shootout. Let me know if you feel that we should do more content like this. Open to more suggestions. By the way, before we end, let me just remind you, we have a challenge in this vlog. If we hit 4,000 likes on this vlog, I will raffle away the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and one of you will get to have this premium flagship tier phone from Huawei. So hit that like button, hit the share button, comment down below what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll check maybe on December 25 if we get to 4,000 likes. I'll raffle it off then. And that said, this is Carlos signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.